ओम सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्। हरि ओम। So Ajanta Pullinga Prakarana is going on and we have finished Akaranta, Akaranta, Rasva Ikaranta Shabdas, and now these Dirgha Ikaranta Shabdas are going on, and in that we saw direct Dirgha Ikaranta Pullinga Shabda like Papi and Vataprami, and now Dirgha Ikaranta only, but little bit different type of Shabda, which is not directly Dirgha Ikaranta, but it is Dirgha Ikaranta because the earlier the word which was there, Dirgha Ikaranta and Strilinga, that Shabda after having compounded, means after doing Samasa, that word is becoming now Pullinga Shabda, and that particular Dirgha Ikaranta Shabda we are using. It is not by birth, that word is not Pullinga, this Dirgha Ikaranta. It is because some other word which is there Dirgha Ikaranta and it is getting compounded, and because it is now talking about Pullinga, that's why it is being discussed here in this particular topic. Okay. Now we are doing this prakriya for Bahushreyasi Shabda. Okay. Now this Shreyasi Shabda is Dirgha Ikaranta and it is Nyanta Shabda, and it is getting compounded with this Bahu Shabda, Bhavyah Shreyasyah Yasya Saha Bahushreyasi, and then we are declining it, we are doing the Prakriya. Now in Prakriya what we have done so far is Prathama Vibhakti over, Dvitiya Vibhakti is over, Sambodhana is over, Dvitiya Vibhakti is over, and Tritiya Vibhakti is also over, and new topic is going to start. Okay. Now while doing this whole Prakriya, I made one mistake. That mistake I will correct, but I was thinking that I will correct that mistake at the end of this whole Shabda Prakriya. So the current topic, whatever is going on, that topic we will cover, and then we will go back to that one particular mistake, so that it will be good for revision also. So that way the revision will happen. Now whatever the topic is going on, that topic we will continue. So we will keep that mistake. Share the screen. Bahushreyasi, Bahushreyasi bhi, this form we already covered. Correct. Tritiya, Ekvachan, Dvivachan, Bahuvachan we completed. Now Chaturthi Vibhakti Ekvachana form we are going to do. So our Shabda is Bahu Shreyasi Pratyay. Chaturthi Vibhakti Ekvachana Pratyay is there. Now our common practice, what we are going to do, that we will do. What is the next step? Or had I completed this? No, I had not completed. Correct. Only this much we saw. Correct, na?
You have to do Annadyaha. You have to do.
Yeah, correct. So we finish this Bahushreyasi bhi. So in this Annadyaha Sutra only, I am typing this. To bring you this to this sutra, I am typing this. So Bahushreyasi Nge Chaturthi Vibhakti Ekvachana Pratyay is there, and this is where we are going to do the Prakriya. Chaturthi Vibhakti Ekvachana Pratyay has come. Bahushreyasi Nge. In this situation, what will happen? The sutra. I have done the Prakriya. What will happen now? No, but the sutra is for this Prakriya. What is the sutra? Lashakva Tadhite. By Lashakva Tadhite, Ng got its Saudhnya and Tasya Lopaha. Tasya Lopaha appeared. Bahushreyasi A in this situation. What would have happened here? Yan Sandhi would have taken place, but something else is happening. What is that? Let's read the sutra. Annadyaha, 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 Annadyaha. It is actually Art. This is the sutra. Now this which sandhi is happening? Can you remember?
For Bahushreyasi plus A.
No. This Art Nadyaha turned into An Nadyaha.
Oh, that.
The two sandhis are happening. Okay, you can revise the sandhis. An Nadyaha is the sutra. Ta turns into Ana. Not two sutra, only one sutra. Ta turns into Ana. Find out later the sutra. An Nadyaha is the sutra. Now let's understand what is the meaning of this sutra. Art Agamaha. Meaning. May the Art Agama happen here. That is the meaning. Art is going to come. Now ta is there. Ta is it. It is tit. Tit is agama. So art is tit agama. So it is happening to what? What is the sthani for this art? So nitam. Nitam art syat. Those which are nit, art will come to them. What are the nit? So nge, ngasi, ngas, ni. These four are nit pratyayas are there. All these nit pratyayas are getting art agama. They are supposed to get. So we had how many pratyayas? Nge, nasi. All of them will get art. And since it is art, where will it come? It will come before it. Adyantau takitau. Titkitau adyantau stha. So art, again art, and art. How it will appear? Means all nit pratyayas, they will get art agama. Nitam art agama syat. Is there any other condition or just simply that art come? No, it comes with some particular, one particular reason is required. So what is that? Nadyantat itam, nadyantat paresham. Those nit which are after para, after what? Nadyanta shabda. नद्यंत शब्द नद्यंतात परेशां नीताम आडागमः स्यात्. Now word which is there nadi saudnyaka, after that if there is nit pratyas, they will get art and not any nit. So we had seen Hari plus Nge, there it did not come. Rama plus Nge, there also it did not come. Yes, ji? Any question? Ji?
No, I just thought that I was stuck with that fifth letter, so it is that the preceding letter also gets the fifth letter. So, is it Yaronu Nasika? No. That sutra I was trying to remember. Sorry. Go ahead.
No problem.
That,
So, so art will come after Nge, means for Nge, but means all Nge, but what is required? Nadi Shabda. Nadi means the Nadi Saudnyaka Shabda is required. Huh? This Nadi means Nadi Saudnyaka Shabda is required. Then only this art comes. So remember, this Nadi is not Nadi Shabda, but it is Nadi Saudnyaka Shabda. Nadyantat Paresham Nitam Adagamasa. So now in this situation, so Nadi Shabda itself is also Nadi Saudnyaka. That is another thing. Nadyantat Paresham Nitam Adagamah Syat. At Nadyaha At Agamah Syat. Meaning is clear. Now our word was Bahu Shreyasi. Dhana Nge. Then Bahu Shreyasi. A. Correct. Now we have to remember this Shreyasi Shabda. Shreyasi Shabda was Nadyanta because it is Nipratyanta Shabda. So it is Dirgha Ikaranta. It is Strilinga. It is talking about Strilinga, and therefore use Trakhyav Nadi because it is Dirgha Ikaranta and Strilinga Shabda. It was Nadi Saudnyaka, and then another Vartika we had seen that Prathamalinga Grahanancha. Whatever the word we have taken, earlier gender it had the Strilinga. Now it may be having Pullinga, but earlier it had Strilinga. So that will be considered here to give one to give the Nadi Saudnya. So Bahushreyasi also this Shabda also got Nadi Saudnya. Okay. So Bahushreyasi this Shabda is also Nadyanta. It's Nadi Saudnyaka. And because of Nadi Saudnya, what will happen? This particular sutra will be applicable. What does this sutra say? It says that if Nadi Saudnyaka Shabda is there and then there is Nit Pratyaya will get Art Agama. So correct, we have found the proper situation here. So we will bring Art, but Bahu Shreyasi plus Art will come to A. Okay, Art has not come to Bahu Shreyasi, but it has come to A. Now Art Dhana A. Here what will happen? Will disappear by Halantyam. Correct. Halantyam. Then Tasya Lopaha will disappear. It will get its Saudnya and then it will disappear. Bahushreyasi A. This is the situation. Now what will happen? Bahushreyasi A and then A. This is the condition. Now first we will do the Sandhi of this A and A, and then we will go back to this C, and then whatever we will get result with that. Now A and A, what Sandhi is possible now here?
Vriddhi.
Correct. Vriddhi Adesha is possible. Okay. So Vriddhi Adesha is Prapta here. Vriddhirechi iti प्राप्ते, वृद्ध्यादेशे प्राप्ते. Vruddhyadesha is prapta, correct. But with this sutra, Vruddhyadesha does not happen. One special sutra is going to come. What is that sutra? Let's see. Next sutra. Atascha, atascha, atascha. Atah achipare vruddhi ekadesha syat. Let me take this whole prakriya what we have done so far. Here. Vruddhi, the sutra, I am typing the meaning of sutra here. Vruddhi, ekadesh, ekadesh, पूर्वपरयोः स्थाने ekadesh. That we have to remember. Ekadesh syat. The main artha of this sutra. Vruddhi ekadesh syat. May vruddhi come as one adesha here. Vruddhi ekadesh. Where पूर्वपरयोः in the place of previous and the next letter in the place of both these letter ekadesha vruddhi come as ekadesha. May vruddhi come as ekadesha in the place of previous and next letter. That is the meaning. Other conditions, yes. What are the conditions here? Because this much prakriya is possible with vruddhi rechi also. What vruddhi adeshas special is there in this vruddhi adesha? So it is saying that atah achipare. When there is achipare, when there is ach in front of what? In front of at. In front of at. Atah achipare. Atah is panchami bhakti ekvachan. Atah achipare sati वृद्धि पूर्वपरयोः स्थाने वृद्धि एकः आदेशः स्यात्. वृद्धिरेचि is at echi pare. Vruddhirechi sutra says that at echi pare. At echi pare पूर्वपरयोः वृद्धि एकादेशः. Vritti of Vruddhirechi sutra, and the second vritti is of Atascha. So at echipare purvaparayoho vruddhi ekadesha syat, and this is saying that atah achipare vruddhi purvaparayoho vruddhi ekadesha syat. Remember, at is just talking about akara. It is talking about akara. All types of akaras will be included, means hrasva, dirgha, pluta. Whereas this art is particularly talking about art agama. It is talking about particularly art agama. So atah, when this art is getting followed by ach, then vruddhi adesha will happen. Now we had brought this art here. Okay. Atah echi pare. This ekara is h and it is para. So atah echi pare. This condition is getting fulfilled. Vruddhi ekadesha syat purvaparayoh sthane. So purva is a, para is a. Purvaparayoh sthane ekah vruddhi adesha syat. So one vruddhi adesha will come. So by this sutra, atascha sutra, we will do vruddhi. Now, Oshreyasi, then a will disappear, then a will disappear. I will come. Sutra is atascha. Doubt is there. Okay, anyway, the prakriya, we will get over with this prakriya. What will happen now next? Bahushreyasi I. With Atashcha we did Vruddhi. What will happen next?
Eco energy is prapta.
Correct. So, eco energy is prapta and eco energy will happen. Bahushreyasi I. Then yes, ya. Sutra is eco energy. Final form is ready. Bahushreyasya. Bahushreyasya. Okay, nothing. This is the final form. Bahushreyasya. Now, question will come that what was the need of Atashcha Sutra? Means we could have managed with Vruddhirechi. Here also Vruddhirechi was possible. With Vruddhirechi also we could have done the Vruddhi. With Atashcha also we did the Vruddhi only. So the reason is now here in the case of the question is clear. What is the question?
Yes, Ji.
So with Vruddhirechi also Vruddhi was possible here. And Atashcha also, with Atashcha also Vruddhi is possible. Now where we are supposed to focus? So At Echi pare and Atah Achi pare. With this the question is solved. At is not the agama which comes only in this case, only here. It also comes somewhere else. Okay. So there we need Atashcha Sutra. With Vruddhirechi, work does not happen. Okay. Now this At Agama, as it has happened here, it also happens in the case of Lung, Ling, Lung. These lakaras are there. When Ajadi Dhatu is there, then Ajadi Dhatu will get this At Agama. And with that At, for example, I will show you. Iksha, Lung. Suppose Lung Lakara is there. Then Lung, if it is there, then this situation, here comes At Agam. At Iksha La. Now, in the next step, this La further goes through the Prakriya. Just for now, you ignore it. It is Lung. Just remember Lung. It is Lung. Now, with this A and Iksha, between these, which Sandhi will happen? A plus E.
Adguna.
Correct. Adguna. Guna Sandhi is Prapta here. But because we don't want Guna Sandhi here, we don't want A here, we want I, which is Vruddhi. Therefore, this Atashcha Sutra is created. That wherever there is At Agama, and that At Agama is getting followed by Ach, do Vruddhi there. And do not do Guna or any other Sandhi. So now A plus E, as per the rules, Guna Sandhi is supposed to happen. But to avoid that Guna Sandhi, Atashcha Sutra is created. Here Vruddhi Sandhi is not Prapta. Vruddhya Adesha is not Prapta. Somehow here it was Prapta. Chalo bhai, yaha to, here it was coming A plus A. So it was conducive condition for this Vruddhi Rechi Sutra. But in the case of this, it is not there. So in order to bring Vruddhi Adesha here as well, what Maharshi Panini does? He says that Atashcha, do Vruddhi with Atashcha Sutra. If you have brought At as Agama, with that art, whatever the following ach is there, do the vriddhi. And thus we get I, ksha, and then there is lang. Okay. Further, the prakriya is not only this much, it goes further. Maybe in maybe means what? We are going to see it in Tinganta Prakriya. Tinganta Prakarana, we are going to see this. Adajadinam, that sutra comes, and then Atascha Vriddhi happens. So here also, though Vriddhirechi, with Vriddhirechi only we could have done the Vriddhi Sandhi, but to make that Vriddhi Sandhi in other cases as well, Atascha Sutra was created, and since Atascha Sutra is created, it will be applicable here also. Now, Vriddhirechi and Atascha, between them, both of them are getting placed to work somewhere else. Vriddhirechi is getting placed to work somewhere else. With A also there is Vriddhi Sandhi possible. So some other places get reserved for the Vriddhirechi Sutra. Atascha Sutra, this just now we saw that this A plus Iksha plus Lang. So Aiksha, there also Atascha Sutra is getting placed. Now both of these sutras are getting Anyatra Labdhavakash. They have their own areas to work. Now here Atascha and Vriddhirechi, both the sutras are coming to work. Which one we will decide? So we will take Atascha Sutra. Okay. Both of these sutras are applicable in the case of this. Bahushreyasi, this A plus A. Vriddhirechi also and Atascha also. Then which one we will choose? So we will choose Atascha. Why? These are the two sutras. Both the sutras have their own areas to work. We saw we need Atascha Sutra in the case of Iksha Lang in one particular prakriya. Though here it is not required, but there it is required. Vriddhirechi also gets space to work somewhere. Uta eti, suppose if I type here, Uta plus eti. Now in this situation, A plus A, here Vriddhirechi is prapta, not Atascha. And in the case of At plus Iksha plus Lang, in this case, Atascha is prapta. Both of them are getting place to work somewhere else. Okay, Anyatra Labdhavakasha. Now Ekatra, in the case of this At plus A, in this case Vriddhirechi Sutra is also possible and Atascha Sutra is also possible, but we will choose Atascha. What is the reason? I think question is clear.
Question is clear, Ji, but answer, see, usually we choose that sutra which has got less akasha to work. Means like, not in these two sutras when we compare, this is Achi Pare and that is H Pare. So, but normally we should choose only Vriddhirechi first because that is having a lesser place to work compared to Atascha. But you also gave us one sutra, I don't remember the name, where the second when there are two sutras, you have to choose the second sutra, later sutra. So with these two rules, if we say the first rule, then Vriddhirechi we should choose. If we see the second rule, then Atascha should be chosen.
Paranityantarangapawadanam uttarottaram baliyah. This is order. First, this the solution what you gave is antaranga. but I will try to explain. If there is less place or location to work, not less location, it is actually less requirements. How many things are required for Adesha? If one particular sutra needs 2-3 criteria and one particular sutra needs only one criteria. So with one criteria, one sutra is getting applied and another sutra is applicable when there are 2-3 conditions are fulfilled. Then which one we will choose? We will choose that sutra which requires less conditions. That is called Antaranga, which needs less conditions. It's called Antaranga. And that which requires more is called Bahiranga. Now, there is something called Nitya, but before that, we have seen, so far we have seen Para. Para means what? Whenever both the sutras are coming together to work in one place, then both of them have already got their separate space to work, and again in this one particular example they are coming to work together. Then we always choose the later one. By order, whatever comes later, that sutra is chosen. Now what is the sutra for that? Para sutra is always applicable. So first is this. Para sutra is applicable. Whenever two sutras, they have got their own separate place to work, and now they are coming to work in the same place. Which one should be chosen? We should choose the later one. Para sutra is supposed to be chosen. What is the rule for that? Okay. I will give the half sutra. Param Karyam.
Or God ji.
Vipratishedhe Param Karyam. Vipratishedhe Param Karyam. When there is Vipratishedha, Vipratishedha is what? Two sutras having equal amount of power and they are coming to work in the same example, then the sutra which comes later in the Ashtadhyayi order, that one will be chosen. Vruddhirechi is having its own place, just like here Uta Eti, here it is having place to work, and Atascha has the separate place to work, like here Ata Ikshalang. Now both of these sutras are coming in the case of this At, this Bahu Shreyasi At. In this case, both the sutras are coming. Now, which one we will choose? There the Pratishedha is happening of these two sutras. We will choose the later one. Vipratishedhe Param Karyam, Param Sutram Karyam. Now here, the later sutra we will choose, Atascha Sutra will be taken, because this is 88th sutra and this is 19th sutra. Okay, 6th chapter, first pada. Is explanation clear?
Yes, ji.
Remember the Atascha Sutra, somewhere you keep, because this Atascha Sutra is necessary. Half, we saw the full meaning, but it is going to get repeated again and again in Tinganta Prakriya. So we need that Atascha Sutra. Now, Bahushreyasi At A Bahushreyasya. This is the form we saw. Now, what is the next? Nothing, just Bahu Shreyasi Dhana Bhyam. Answer is clear. Nothing, no any other prakriya. Bahu Shreyasi Bhyam. Bahu Shreyasi Dhana Bhyas. Answer is श्रेयसीभ्यः. Now बहु श्रेयसी धन न्यसि. What will happen here now?
Bhaushreyasi plus us.
बहु श्रेयसी plus us. Next step can be told by Purnaji or Rupalji. What will happen here now? What will be the next step? Okay. What will happen? Agama will come. By what sutra? Will art agama happen here?
Yes, it will happen.
It will happen because we saw nitam art agama hasyat. Nit pratyas will get art agama. Nasi is nit pratyaya and therefore art agama will happen. So happen. What will happen now? Ushreyasi a 0 will disappear us by halantyam. Paushreyasi a us. Now in this situation what will happen?
Us.
Okay, but what is that rule with which it will happen?
Antaranga.
We don't need that antaranga for now. We don't really need that antaranga vichara. Happening, but by which sutra?
No, first that a plus us, no, that that will become us, right?
A plus us, but what with what sutra? Correct. Here we brought a. Okay, Artashcha sutra. How?
How
means I mean, isn't akasavarne dirgha applicable here?
yes, akasavarna dirgha only is applicable. But since we have a special sutra,
Correct.
and also the number.
So both the sutras are coming, and both the sutras have different place to work.
Adenguna is one.
No, Adenguna. Why Adenguna we don't need?
I just number is akasavarna dirgha number. I don't know.
Yeah, I showed. This is Akasavarna Dirgha number 611109
Then akasavarna dirgha only should be done because Artashcha is 6190. This is 6101. So we have to do akasavarna dirgha only.
Correct. Okay. So we will do the Akasavarna Dirgha and not Artashcha. Now what will happen? So I had not repeated. Answer will be
बहुश्रेयस्या plus satana.
बहुश्रेयस्या. Bahushreyasi. E we have separated. Bahushreyas.
Yeah.
E will get replaced by ya by which sutra?
Energy.
Oyanachi.
Bahushreyasya.
Yes. Yes. Correct.
Yes.
Now what will happen?
Then Upadesha Janunasika it.
Bahushreyasya.
And
Sasayusho. Then
Upadesha Janunasika it. Then
Upadeshe. Janunasika it. Gone. This Bhashayami is gone. Upadeshe Janunasika it.
and finally Karavasanayor Visarjaniya.
Pravasana Visarjaniyah. So Bahushreyasyaha. Bahushreyasyaha. Then Bahushreyasi Bhyam. Bahushreyasi Bhyam form will be Bahushreyasi Bhyam. Bahushreyasi Bhyas. Bahushreyasi Bhyah. Just like the Chaturthi Vibhakti Dvivachan Bahuvachan. Bahushreyasi plus Ngas. Same prakriya as we did for Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachana Ngasi. It will be Ngas. Bahushreyasi Ngas. Bahushreyasi अस बहुश्रेयसी आठ अस बहुश्रेयसी ऐ स बहुश्रेयसी ऐस. Then बहुश्रेयसी, that e will be replaced by ya. बहुश्रेयस्य ऐस बहुश्रेयस्यैस बहुश्रेयस्यैरु by sasayusho ruhu. Then u will disappear from that ra. By upadeshe janunasika it, we will get bahushreyasyair, bahushreyasyaar, and then bahushreyasyaar ra will be replaced by visarga kharvasana or visarjaniyah bahushreyasyaha. Same form as panchami vibhakti ekvachan. Shashti vibhakti panchami vibhakti ekvachan form is same. Then bahushreyasi os. What will happen here? Bahushreyasi os.
Co energy.
Correct. Just eco energy and we are done. Bahushreyasi os. Bahushreyasyoru. Bahushreyasyor. Bahushreyasyoho. Now Bahushreyasi. Bahushreyasi am. Shashti vibhakti bahuvachan. What will happen here?
Rasvanadya ponut.
But it is not Hraswanta.
It is Nadyanta.
Correct. So Nadyantatvat Nut Agama Syat. So Nut Agama comes, it happens to Am Bahushreyasi Na Am Bahushreyasi Nam. Form is ready. Bahushreyasi Nam. Now Bahushreyasi plus Ni Saptami Bhakti Ekvachana form. Here we need to do the prakriya. Okay, here I will write this bhasha should work. Bahushreyasi Ni. In this situation we are Bahushreyasi. I will separate it. Bahushreyasi Ni. What will be the next step here? Shreyasi,
Plus E.
art, the ng will disappear and art agama will happen. Correct?
Yes.
Correct na? So nitam adagamah syat. But this, there is one sutra, we will read that and then we will come back to the prakriya. Okay. Let's read the sutra. Here, let me write the prakriya here. Oh, Shreyasi, Dhana, Ni. Here we are. Saptami Bhakti Ekvachana Pratyaya. Bahushreyasi, Ni. Let's read the sutra. Ngeram nadyam nibhyah, ngeram nadyam nibhyah, ngeram nadyam nibhyah. नद्यंतात आबंतात निशब्दाच्च वरस्य ङेहे आम स्यात्. द नद्यंत शब्द, आबंत शब्द, निशब्द, these three shabdas are taken. मुख्य सूत्र is ङेहे आम स्यात्. So आम स्यात्, आम is karta, prathama vibhakti ekvachan. Am is going to happen in the place of what? Ngehe. Ngehe sthane am syat is the meaning. What type of nge? Ngehe is shashti ekvachana. Ngehe is shashti ekvachana. Ngehe sthane am syat. Ne am syat. Nge will be replaced by am. Nadyantat. Nadyantat ngehe sthane am syat. Nadyantat ngehe स्थाने आम स्यात्. आबंतात ङेहे स्थाने.
You already wrote that.
हाँ, नद्यंतात आबंतात नि शब्दात, सॉरी. नि शब्दात ङेहे स्थाने आम स्यात्. This ni shabda. So forget these two for now. We need nadyantat ङेहे स्थाने आम स्यात्. Our bahushreyasi is nadyanta shabda. Ni is going to get replaced by am. Just a second. I have one doubt. Yes, I had doubt. My doubt I will tell whether ad agama will happen here or not. That's what I was saying, because at the end a is going to remain. So ad agama is happening here also. So bahushreyasi nadyantat ङेहे am syat. Now bahushreyasi dhana at dhana am. Sutra is and nadyah and nadyah. At agama will happen to this nitam at agama hasyat. So this is nit because nga we had not made disappear, but bahu yasi ngana 0 e lopa. So we had named this nga as it, and then we made it disappear. So nga is it, therefore it is nit. At agama will come bahushreyasi a am. Am. Now again bahushreyasi a am.
Narayanji.
Ji.
Like ni only becomes am, ni only becomes art also, no? How can
No.
we have both dishes?
No, ni does not become art. Art is agam.
Agama when it is followed by ni. Nit.
Yeah, nit is there. Nit should be there.
Okay.
Got it. Okay, since you have asked question, you got clarity. Let me explain. Am has come in the place of ni. Correct. Ni hai am syat. So am has come in the place of ni. Ni is nit. So nit dharma will come to am as well. Nitvat atagama will happen. Atagama will happen. So atagama has happened here. A will be disappeared. A will disappear. Then am a also will disappear. Ma will remain. Then dirgha will there. Vriddhi will come here. Bahushreyasi. Atascha only will be applicable and not akasavarne dirgha. Why that reason will see? Yes, Swamiji.
No, nothing. I just joined.
So this ekah purvaparayoho vruddhi ekadesha. Here the vruddhi is only coming. Happened. Now what will happen the next?
Eco energy. Sorry. Eco energy.
Answer will be ready. Bahushreyasya. Now bahushreyasi os श्रेयस्योः. Then बहु श्रेयसी धन सुख. बहुश्रेयसीषु. बहुश्रेयसीषु. Then Sambodhana we have already seen. Bahushreyasi. It will become Hraswa. What is the reason? Ambarthanadyor Hrasva. Nadyanta Shabda will become Hraswanta when there is Sambuddhi Pratyaya is there in front of it. Bahushreyasi, He Bahushreyasi, He Bahushreyasya, He Bahushreyasya. That we had seen. Now, is this Bahushreyasi Shabda clear?
Yes, Ji.
This Bahushreyasyaam, here it is. Ngeram nadyam nibhyah nadyantat avantat ni shabdacha parasenge am syat. Ni was replaced by am. And thus we got Bahushreyasyaam. Shesham papivat. That's what was said here. Shesham papivat. Now let's come back to the papi shabda where we had declined it. And I written, this is the papi shabda. Papihi, papyo, papyah. Now where we made the changes is this papihi, then this ngit papye. Instead of that we brought the art agama papye. Here it become bahushreyasya, bahushreyasyaha, bahushreyasyaha, bahusreyasyam. These forms are different. Only prathama vibhakti ekvachana form, चतुर्थी विभक्ति, पंचमी विभक्ति, षष्ठी विभक्ति, सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचन forms are different. षष्ठी विभक्ति बहुवचन form is also different. Why? Because षष्ठी विभक्ति बहुवचना, it is nadi saudnya so nut agama will happen. All other works are as papi has. But one problem, one mistake I had made, that was now Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachan is papin, where the Prathamayo Purva Savarna Dirgha, this sutra we had applied, and we got the papi, and then sa was replaced by na by Tasmat Chaso Napunsi. Now, while doing the prakriya of Bahushreyasi, Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachan, we did the prakriya like Bahushreyasi, Shas Bahushreyasi, As Bahushreyasi, Sa. We just did the Purva Savarna Dirgha and we left that Sa as Sa only. We turned it into Visarga. We did not turn it into Na. Why? The reason was given, and I think I had taken that in class also. Reason was given that it is Nadi Saudnyaka, it is Strilinga Shabda only. Okay. So, because it is Strilinga, therefore, the Tasmat Chaso Napunsi Sutra will not be applicable here. Prathamayo Purva Savarna Dirgha only we did. Bahushreyasi, Shas, As, E. It was replaced by Purva Savarna Dirgha by Prathamayo Purva Savarna, and then further we did not apply Tasmat Chaso Napunsi. And reason was that it is Strilinga Shabda. And for this justification was given that the Prathama Linga Grahanancha use Trakhyo Nadi in this sutra, that use Trakhyo Nadi here. Prathama Linga Grahanancha, this Vartika was taken, and with this we said that the earlier Linga, whatever the word has the earlier Linga, same Linga will be there. But that is not the meaning of this Vartika. So this Vartika meaning, which I explained, was not correct. That meaning we will see. With that meaning only, we will be able to understand how this papi in Bahushreyasi in Rupa is happening, just like papi in Shabda. So that we will see in the next class. Should we do Shanti Patha?
So papi is Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda, like Nadi Shabda.
Which
Papi.
Shabda? No, no.
Puppy.
Puppy is Dirgha Ikaranta Pullinga Shabda.
Okay.
Ah,
Not
and-
Nadi.
No, it will not get Nadi Saudhya because it is not Strilinga. It is direct Pullinga Shabda. Whereas Bahushreyasi is Shabda which is Dirgha Ikaranta Pullinga, but it has been derived using Dirgha Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda, therefore it will get Nadi Saudhya.
Okay. Okay.
Do Shanti Path Swamiji.
Yes.
ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम हरि ओम स्वामी हरि
Hare.